Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're taking a look at a 2014 utility 36'6" aluminum combo with a universal mounting kit. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, excellent condition. As you can see, the aluminum deck is in great condition. Beams have been turbo blasted, primed and repainted. Kingpin plate has been checked and verified. As we come around the passenger side here, we've got wood nailing strips, also have a steel extra hooks system, buyer's brand new toolbox, brand new rubber drums and brakes on this unit, spring ride suspension, refurbed outer steel rim. As we get to the rear here, you can see the universal mounting kit. We'll carry a Moffett, a Princeton, Load Mac, and many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. You can take a look at our new 2024 Load Macs that are available, 855s and 225s. You can take a look at our refurbed Moffetts and Princetons that are available for sale. As we come back around to the driver's side of this trailer, 36'6" by 102 wide, spring ride suspension, steel refurbed outer rim, brand new rubber all the way around, drums and brakes, brand new straps with refurbed ratchets. Kingpin plate is in excellent condition. Also, the landing gear has been checked and verified. Folks, this is Equipment Remarketing. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Truck, trailers, and piggyback forklifts available for sale. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.